My name is Rajesh Raj Sharma. Today we learn how to create a slide menu or navigation drawer in a Swift 3 with Xcode. Now first of all we create a new Xcode project. Single view application. Next, product name we take slide menu, or you can take navigation drawer. Just click on next, create. Now the project is created. So first of all we go to the main.storyboard. It is quite slow. In this project I am not using any library to create a slide menu or navigation drawer. I am not using any library. Editor, embedded navigation controller, and just give the name to the title home. And a UI bar button item. View background. This one. And for the drawer icon we take an image. Just drag from the desktop and paste into that screen. And now coming on the main.storyboard. Main.storyboard. Now select UI bar button and image. Yeah, now the image is showing. And now we bind the data. Just drag and drop. Menu action. Connect. Now this is the button action where we perform show menu. So to create a menu, we drag a UI view controller. Just drag and drop. We create a menu from table view. Prototype cell 1. Now take a label, just drag and put there. Now Now make a constraint left, right, this one. Take a constraint, add 4 constraint. Now same thing we follow in this one. And now make a menu controller file class menu view controller. Next, create. Now create a cell, table view cell. The name is menu table view cell. Next, create. Now, given the name of the class, menu view controller, and the storyboard ID is menu view controller. And now assign the class menu table view cell to this cell. And now we bind the data. Just drag and drop menu table view connect. Now take the cell, menu table view cell, just drag and drop label, label title, connect. And now for a table view, we need to implement UI table view delegate and UI table view data source. And remove the unnecessary function. And now there is a warning. So we just implement this method of the UI table view delegate and UI table view data source. Number of row in a section and cell for row at index path. And just create the array of menu. Let's call him title array. Just give the name home. About us, rate us, share, and log out. This is the menu. initialized. So here number of row in this section return title array dot count and assign the delegate table view menu table view to delegate is equal to self and menu table view dot data source is equal to self and here create a cell table view dot decode reusable cell with identifier and we need to give the name of the cell menu cell as menu table view cell which is written in this cell. Now cell dot label title dot text is title array index part dot row. Now give the identifier here. This is my cell and this is CPU's identifier. This is okay. Select iPhone 5. Now we run this. It takes some time. So here we do more work. As there is nothing showing in that, so when we click on the new action, nothing has happened at that time. So create a function. So menu and now a function close and create instance of menu controller that we want to use to show. Storyboard, I think this is not working. Storyboard dot instantiate menu controller. Name of the ID's identifier is also menu controller. compiler shows what is just I think something can happen. So just over the screen, but when I click on that, nothing is happening. So we just creating static boolean variable. So name is menu by default is true. This variable is used to show the menu and close the menu. Use here if app delegate dot menu where is true. So here we show the menu, else close menu. So here we create this show menu. And this method close menu. Now just self.add child view controller. We add this menu view controller as a child view controller. And now add subview. Menu view. So menu. And we give the background color self.menu vc dot background color UI color dot black with alpha element. Alpha element will take 0.6. 0.6. It appears to be transparent, so little bit. And for close the menu, we use self.menu vc.view dot remove from super view. And now we run the app. And now the one thing I forgot in this, we need to assign the value here. By default menu boolean is true. Now I give that here false, and at the closing time we need to return it to the true. That's it. Now we run. So some error. Let's run again. Here, just click and it shows the navigation bar. And just another page it goes. But I think something is missing. The slide in fact is not comes. The slider is open but as frequently. So for sliding effect we use UI view.animate method UI view.animate. Duration we give 0.3. This one 0.3. Create a closure. And we put the whole code into this closer inside the closer. And now what it says it used to self because inside the closer it did not identify, so that's why. And now one more thing we need to do. Give the view to the create a frame for view. CZ rect. X0 and Y is 60 and width according to the size of the screen. So we take UI screen dot main dot bounds dot size dot width. Now same as here dot height. Now it is complete. And now the same thing if we need to do here. We need to just use UI view dot animate. We use a completion also. Time interval has 0.3. Just take some movement time. And animation. Here we just get it closer in and give the frame to the main view. Just Now this is the completion block. Now we use, after finishing the animation, we need to remove this view here after finishing the animate function after 0.3 seconds. And now all is okay, and we need to run this. It takes some seconds. Build succeeded. I think something is missing. It's move so fast here. Here I use UI screen.main.bound.size.width minus. Now run. Now the effects come. When open comes from the right, and when close, slide out to the right. Yeah. And now one more thing you can do with this, you can use swipe gesture to close. I just use button, but we can also add some functionality to it using swipe gesture. So just create let swipe right. Yes, UI swipe gesture recognizer, and we just use this target self and action in that we need to name of the method that we want to use on the gesture comes, and I give the name to the method respond to gesture. Respond to gesture. So the warning because we did not create the method here, and now creating that method inside this, that take the parameter of UI swipe gesture recognizer. Now the arrow goes. Now we create the object of this swipe right. Now give the direction to this UI swipe gesture recognition direction dot right. Now same as we create for the left one. Swipe left. Here we use the direction is left, and now we need to add to the view these gestures. Saf.view.add gesture recognizer, swipe right, and same as and swipe left to the view. And this is the method where we use the switch case to identify the direction of gesture. Gesture dot direction. UI swipe gesture recognizer direction dot right. If we swipe on right, direction, so here we print right swipe, and same as it is we use for make it place for left. Yeah, this is for left. And the default is brick. Now when the right swipe, we need to show the menu. Show menu. So we just call here this method. Show menu. And for closing, we just need to create a method also. Close on swipe. Just copy, paste here, and just call this method here on left side. Now this is working. And if we run this, I think swipe is working right now. Yeah, this working. Here you can see right swipe. And this is close on left side. This is left side. This is right. This is left. We take that. So I did not need any library to create my own slide menu, or you can say navigation drawer. So on swipe it worked, and also button it worked. If you think this video is helpful for you, so please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.